All right, so first up from Lowe's, we've got this Cobalt 250-piece standard SAE and metric polished chrome mechanics tool set with a hard case. Originally, this was 219. You're saving 120 bucks. It's now $99, and this is all that it comes with here. You can take a look at all the pictures. It says this is good through January 31st, so you have a little bit to take advantage of this deal. Now, this is from Amazon. This is an SOG Power Pent Mini Compact Multi-Tool. It has 18 different tools, it looks like. It's 28.27, so that's 48% off. It was $54. And this is just one of those standard multi-tools here. Has pocket knife, screwdriver, bottle opener, all that good stuff. And $48 with savings. I thought these would have been cheaper though, but I guess if it's originally 54, now down to 28. The only comment it looks like this one had gotten, it said with the scissors, the guy said it didn't open wide enough, but I mean, it's just a little tiny scissors for cutting tiny things, I would suppose, fishing line, things like that. All right, this is a deal from Lowe's. It's a Cobalt 12-in-1 double drive multi-bit screwdriver set for $9.98. It was $19.98. So you're saving 10 bucks here. And this is just one of those multi-tools, so the different drives fit inside of it here. But all right, now from Lowe's again, this is the Craftsman portable 12-volt air inflator and power source. It's saying it's $29. That's 20 bucks off. It was 49. This does have 4.8 stars, so it has a pretty good rating. So it looks like it's a power bank and a inflator for 29. That's not too bad. These always come with a little flashlight as well. There's 1,000 bought in the last week. That's pretty good. Or that's proof, I would guess, huh? Proof that it's not too bad. Now, this is a deal from Northern Tool. It's a DeWalt Tough System 2.0 mobile storage. It's one of their 250-pound capacity models. It's $70. You're saving $50 or 49. It was 119. It says order today to get at this price. Shipping is available. So that's pretty decent, $49 off. It says this is online only. I wonder if it's free shipping. I can't tell. But this is from Northern Tool and Equipment. Now this is an Amazon deal. This is for it's a Stanley wet dry vac, a 6-gallon, 4 horsepower, black and yellow one. It's $44. It was 84, so you're saving 47%. This has pretty good ratings, 4.6 with over 12,000 ratings. If it's got that many ratings, it's probably triple amount of sales. You can see there, this is from Woot. This is the DeWalt Max Blower 100 CFM airflow. It's got the variable speed switch with trigger lock, and now this is the bare tool only. So that's why I was like, that's pretty cheap. If it's $84, it was 169. That's a pretty good deal, I think, still with being just the bare tool, as long as you have the battery. This just looks like it's a job site blower with 100 CFMs. If you're getting like a bigger leaf blower, it's going to be like 220, 300. And this is the Craftsman V Series. It's a 96 tooth, 3/8 of an inch drive comfort grip handle ratchet. It's 1998 with 4.8 stars. I think it was double this price from what I was seeing on Slick Deals, but they just have it listed as 1998. So not bad at all. And let me know if this is true. Someone had said I thought that it said Lowe's was getting rid of their Craftsman V Series tools. Um, Let me know if you know why, but that's just what I had overheard. All right, this is another Amazon deal. This is a DeWalt 20-volt max sander. It's a 5-inch, 2 amp hour, 8,000 to 12,000 OPM variable speed. It has the storage bag battery and charger included. This is going to be 129. It's 48% off, so it was 249. And with this, it looks like you're getting the random orbital sander, the lithium ion battery charger, battery pack, carrying bag, and the dust bag as well. Now, this is actually a bestseller. Someone had posted this as an option to the previous one. This is a DeWalt 20-volt brushless variable random orbital cordless sander with dust management. It does have a battery. It's $99, so it was $179. You're saving $80 on this one, so that's pretty good. It says, "Bet this is one's a bestseller and 1,000 bought in the last week." So this is a Lowe's deal from Cobalt. It's a rubber-coated magnetic steel accessory 1 medium socket organizer. It's a 12-inch organizer here where they'll just kind of clamp to the bottom because it's magnetic. It was $18. It's now $4.98. So you're saving $13.50. It's 4.5 stars. You can watch the little video here to see how it works, but I mean, it's just magnetized at the bottom, so it'll store all your sockets here. And it comes in 6, 12, 18, and 6-inch and 12 inches. Now, this is from DeWalt. It's a 20-volt max circular saw. It's a 6.5-inch blade tool, 0 to 50-degree bevel capability with a bare tool only, unfortunately, but it's $99. This is going to be 38% off. It was $159. So that's a pretty good deal. You're getting the circular saw, comes with the blade, of course. Comes with two different blades, it looks like a carbide tip blade and then a DCS 391 blade. This is a Home Depot Black Friday deal. It's the 18-volt cordless 175-watt power inverter kit with 2 amp-hour battery and charger. This is from Rigid, and it's $89. It was $208, so you're saving $118 more than you're spending here. And this comes with the power inverter, 2 amp-hour battery, and charger. And it looks like it just comes with the only option is the 2 amp-hour battery here. But that's still pretty a good deal. It's 57% off.